We start by defining our routes in an array called routes. We import routes from an Angular router to ensure strong typing. We then import our standalone component. This standalone component will be associated with the path standalone. Notice the property standalone is set to true, signifying that our component can be used without being declared inside an Angular module. To bootstrap our application with standalone components, we employ a different approach than the traditional AIM module. Firstly, we enable production mode for better performance using enable prod mode. Then, we use Bootstrap application from an Angular platform browser to start our app with standalone component as the root. Providers are set up by importing them from router module for routes, which is essential for configuring the Angular router. Now, let's take a closer look at our standalone component. We define it using the @component decorator with a selector app standalone. The template contains a header and a button that, when clicked, will trigger the navigate method. Inside this method, we use the router service, which is injected into the constructor, to navigate programmatically to the path, other by calling router navigate by URL. This showcases how standalone components can interact with the Angular router.